Yeah, with ViennaUP we really want to show the world, on the one hand, what Vienna has to offer, and on the other hand to invite many international guests that are here now, really tech enthusiasts, visionaries, who really want to discuss and reflect and do business together. People love to come here and work here because it's quite a good quality.
Collaboration is key, so it's really so much easier to do things if you join forces, if you create synergies and make use of them, and this is exactly what we do with ViennaUP as well.